Imagine waking up in the middle of a peaceful mountain valley. The air is fresh, the sun is just starting to rise, and the first light of morning slowly spreads across the landscape. You slide open the side door of your camper van, step outside with a warm cup of coffee in your hands, and take in the quiet beauty around you.
There are no hotel checkouts, no crowded airports, and no strict travel plans. Just open roads, endless destinations, and the freedom to explore wherever your heart wants to go. This is the real magic of van life. It's not just about travel. It's about living every journey on your own terms.
And today, we're exploring a camper van built perfectly for that lifestyle, the impressive Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS. This camper van brings together smart German engineering, modern design, and everyday practicality to create a compact yet comfortable home on wheels. It's designed for travelers who want the adventure of the open road while still enjoying the comforts of home.
In this video, we're going to take a full tour of this incredible camper van. We'll explore its exterior design, step inside to see the smart living space, check out the kitchen and sleeping area, and discover why this model has become such a popular choice among modern road travelers. And once you see everything this camper van offers, you might start imagining your own road trip adventures as well.
Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice about the Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS is how sleek and purposeful it looks. The design feels modern and confident, giving the camper van a strong road presence without looking oversized or bulky. This camper van is built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, which is well known in the camper van world for its durability, smooth driving experience, and dependable performance. That means not only do you get a comfortable living space inside, but you also get a vehicle that's easy and enjoyable to drive on long journeys. At around 6 meters in length, the Globetrail 600DS hits a perfect balance between compact size and practical space. It's small enough to handle narrow city streets, scenic mountain roads, and tight parking areas, yet large enough to offer a comfortable interior layout. Large tinted windows along the sides give the camper van a stylish look, while also helping control sunlight and maintain privacy. The wide sliding door makes entering and exiting the van easy, especially when you're carrying bags, groceries, or outdoor gear. Around the exterior, you'll also find thoughtful features that make travel easier. There's space for an optional retractable awning, allowing you to create a shaded outdoor lounge area right beside the van. Imagine parking near a lake or forest, extending the awning, placing a couple of chairs outside, and simply enjoying the view. At the rear, the large double doors open wide, giving you easy access to storage space and offering a beautiful open view of your surroundings when parked at a scenic location. Subtle exterior lighting adds a welcoming touch during nighttime stops, creating a cozy atmosphere around the van when the sun goes down. But while the exterior looks impressive, the real magic of this camper van truly begins when you step inside.
As soon as you enter the Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS, you'll notice how warm and inviting the interior feels. Even though this is a compact camper van, the layout has been designed in a way that feels surprisingly open and comfortable. Natural light flows in through the large windows, making the space feel bright and airy during the daytime. At night, soft LED lighting throughout the cabin creates a relaxing and cozy atmosphere. The combination of light wood cabinetry, modern finishes, and comfortable upholstery gives the interior a stylish and contemporary feel. It feels less like a van and more like a compact studio apartment designed for travel. At the front of the living area, the driver and passenger seats can swivel around once the vehicle is parked. This simple feature instantly transforms the cabin into a small lounge area where you can sit, relax, and socialize. Between the seats and the living area sits a flexible dining table, perfect for enjoying meals, planning your next travel route, or even doing a bit of remote work while on the road. Overhead storage cabinets line the upper walls, offering plenty of space for clothes, travel gear, and everyday essentials. What's impressive is how Dethleffs has managed to include so much storage without making the interior feel cramped. Every corner of the camper van has been carefully designed to make the most of the available space. There are hidden compartments, smart shelves, and practical storage areas everywhere you look. All of these details make life on the road easier, especially for longer trips where organization becomes important. But of course, one of the most important areas of any camper van is the kitchen. And the Globetrail 600DS does a fantastic job here as well. The kitchen area is located along the side of the campervan and offers a clean, practical layout that makes cooking while traveling simple and enjoyable. Even though the kitchen is compact, it includes everything you need for preparing real meals on the road. The 2-burner gas stove allows you to cook a wide range of dishes, whether you're making a quick breakfast before heading out for the day or preparing the warm dinner after a long drive. Next to the stove sits a stainless steel sink with a modern faucet, giving you a convenient place to wash vegetables, rinse dishes, or simply fill a glass of water. Beneath the countertop, you'll find a built-in refrigerator that keeps your food and drinks fresh throughout your trip. Surrounding the kitchen area are several drawers and cabinets designed to store cookware, utensils, plates, and groceries. The layout keeps everything within easy reach, while still maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. The countertop space is well planned, giving you enough room to prepare meals comfortably. Cooking while traveling becomes part of the adventure itself, especially when you're preparing a meal with a beautiful outdoor view just outside the door. Whether you're parked by the ocean, beside a mountain trail, or at a quiet campsite, this kitchen allows you to enjoy simple moments that make van life so special. And once dinner is finished and the day's adventures come to an end, the rear of the campervan transforms into a comfortable sleeping area designed for restful nights. At the back of the Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS, you'll find the main sleeping space, and it's designed to be both comfortable and practical. The large double bed stretches across the rear of the van, providing enough space for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. After a long day of exploring new destinations, having a proper bed like this makes a huge difference. The mattress offers good support and helps ensure you wake up refreshed and ready for another day on the road. Above the bed, overhead cabinets provide additional storage for clothing, bedding, or travel gear. Built-in reading lights allow you to relax with a book before going to sleep, creating a peaceful nighttime atmosphere. Ventilation windows around the sleeping area allow fresh air to circulate, keeping the space cool and comfortable throughout the night. One of the most enjoyable features of this sleeping layout is the ability to open the rear doors in the morning. Imagine waking up, opening those doors and seeing a beautiful sunrise over a mountain range, a quiet beach, or a peaceful countryside landscape. These are the kinds of moments that make campervan travel unforgettable. But comfort inside a campervan isn't complete with a proper bathroom, and the Globetrail 600DS includes a compact yet practical one. The bathroom area inside this campervan is cleverly designed to make the most of the limited space available. It includes a toilet, a small sink with mirror, and a shower system, all integrated into a compact layout. While it may not be as large as a bathroom in a traditional home, it offers everything you need for daily comfort and hygiene while traveling. The sink provides space for basic washing and grooming, while the mirror helps make the area feel more open and practical. The shower allows you to freshen up after a long day of hiking, cycling, or exploring new destinations. Having a self-contained bathroom like this means you're not always dependent on campsites or public facilities. You can enjoy greater independence and flexibility while traveling, which is one of the biggest advantages of campervan life. Beyond the interior comfort, the driving experience of the Globetrail 600DS is another important highlight. Because it's built on the Fiat Ducato platform, the van offers reliable performance and smooth handling on the road. The engine options provide enough power for highway cruising while still maintaining good fuel efficiency for longer trips. The driving position is elevated, giving the driver a clear view of the road ahead and making long journeys feel more relaxed. Modern driving assistance features help improve safety and convenience, especially during longer drives or when navigating unfamiliar roads. Whether you're traveling across highways, winding countryside roads, or coastal routes, this campervan is designed to make every journey enjoyable. What truly makes the Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS stand out is the way it balances practicality, comfort, and modern design. Many campervans focus purely on functionality, but this model manages to combine smart engineering with a warm and stylish living environment. Its compact 6-meter length keeps it easy to drive and park, while the interior layout still provides everything needed for comfortable travel. The build quality reflects Dethleffs' long experience in the motorhome industry, ensuring durability and reliability for years of adventure. All of these elements come together to create a campervan that feels ready for real-world travel, whether it's weekend getaways or extended road trips across entire countries.
But now we'd love to hear from you. If you had the chance to take this campervan anywhere in the world, where would your first road trip go? Would you head for the mountains, explore coastal highways, or travel across beautiful countryside landscapes? Let us know your dream destination in the comments below, because your next adventure might inspire someone else's journey too. At the end of the day, the Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS shows that you don't need a massive motorhome to enjoy the freedom of travel. With its clever layout, comfortable sleeping area, practical kitchen, and reliable driving platform, this campervan offers everything needed to explore the world with confidence. It's compact enough to go almost anywhere, yet complete enough to feel like a real home on the road. And that's the true beauty of campervan life. Wherever the road leads, your home travels with you. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more amazing campervans and luxury motorhomes like this one, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more travel and motorhome adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you out on the open road.